Today we are making a smoothie bowl. I'm going to take some plant protein, which is by Wellbeing Nutrition, and I'm going to add it to my blender. So I am starting with putting some of this. I am adding some ice. I'm adding ice because I love the texture of a very frozen smoothie. So that's why I use all frozen fruit. Like this is frozen banana. So let's add some berries. And we add some milk to it. Not too much because we want the consistency to be very ice cream-like. So now our smoothie is blended. And yes, I love the texture. I'm going to pour it in a glass. Top it up with my favorite lot of Cocoa Crunch granola, because that's how I like my smoothie. And then I am taking some of your mango. And here we have a most delicious and very nutritious smoothie with Cocoa Crunch granola and Wellbeing Nutrition protein powder.